Can you cook bread with tea lights during a power outage? Well, I gave the challenge to Raluca, and she went ahead and did this on her own. Go ahead and watch. The results were amazing.
So I made a pizza dough and I let it proof for about an hour, and it looks ready right now. I can make pitas with it, I can make fried dough, I can make whatever I want with it, including bread that you slice. And then this is the setup that I have. I'm gonna use this time the one-time aluminum foil with parchment paper inside. And what I'm using here is the insert from my turkey pan, and then I have the tea lights underneath. So this fits perfectly, and I think is going to work great. Perfect distance between the tea lights and that. And I'm gonna make 2 small loaves, and I'm gonna put the dough right in there, and then we're gonna cover it. So let's get to it. So I took 2 pieces of aluminum foil, and I'm gonna cover the breads with, because you want to have them covered. You want to have the same idea as what you would have inside of an oven. So this looks like it proofed nicely. You don't want to have a really heavy dough for this kind of cooking, because then it'll end up not being cooked. So that's what it looks like. And it has plenty of olive oil in it, so I'm gonna go ahead and bake it that way. So I filled them up, put them like that. You don't want to put too much because it's going to proof when it cooks. So I just put about that much in it. And I'm also going to put the aluminum foil on top of them. All right, so we're gonna do that. And now I put my baking tray and some aluminum foil over there like that. And we're gonna put the tea lights on. I have over here, I have 8 of them. So here's all of them on right now. I've seen a lot of people cook this with different kinds of dishes and stuff. Right now, if you look at my stove, it is 12:10 p.m. exactly. And so I'm not sure if it's going to take an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, but we'll see, and I'll show you guys the final result. I'm going to come closer so you can see the whole setup I've got going on in here. And once again, it is 12:12. Cook, baby, cook. Are we gonna have bread or are we gonna have mush? What's it gonna be? And I want to show you guys that with the leftover dough, I made some pitas, and I'm cooking it on the stove. And basically the same idea, right? The same idea. Cover it and cook it. And you can certainly do that with this setup. And yeah, here's the pita. It cooks nicely. If you want to make like a sandwich or something like that, it comes out really nice. You flip it and cover it. Let it cook a little bit, a few more minutes. That's it. I personally think it's such a great idea to have this in case the power goes out, because you want to make some food or maybe some hot water for tea or coffee, and this could work perfectly. So it's always a good idea to have these tea lights around. Okay, so since the breads are so small, I'm gonna check them out. I could smell something that is cooked in there, and when I picked them up, it looked like they were very light. That's one good tell when the bread is done. So let's see. Because I have a feeling that this is going to cook a lot faster because of the aluminum foil being so thin. So you got to use these because it's going to be hot all around. So be careful, okay, when you pick it up. Guys, I took it out. You're not going to believe it. Not gonna believe it, but it's already cooked. It's done. And look at it. Look how nice and soft it came. Oh my gosh. Guys, look. It didn't even take an hour. Maybe like 45 minutes. I sliced the whole bread up. Put some butter on it. Now let's take a bite. I think you should try this. This came out delicious. The power goes out, I'm all set. It has like a nice crust. Nice crunchy crust on the bottom. Thing is, if you put this in a bag after it cools down, even this part will soften. This is really, really yum. Let me open the other one, because I made two. Let's open the other one. You gotta be careful. Now I had it on the counter, so it's not as hot anymore, and I can touch it with my bare hand. But you gotta be careful when you open it, because there's hot air coming out of it. Come on. And there it is. I shook it before I opened them up, guys. And when you shake it, you could tell it's cooked because it's even lighter. Oh, this one burnt a little bit on the bottom, but that's okay. There it is. And I promise you, if you put this in a bag, yeah, it burnt a little more than what I would like, but that's okay. I'm going to cut it in half. Yeah, look at it. It's nice and soft and moist on the inside. So there you have it, guys. 45-minute bread using these beautiful tea lights.
Hey everyone, I should have recorded this about 5 minutes earlier. The results, which you've already seen, I just walked in and saw, and it was awesome. She cooked 2 breads, and I wanted to show you, but I ate most of one already. But anyway, look at that. There's a little darkness on it, but hey, it's an emergency. There's no power. Look at that. Golly. I can't wait for the next power outage. And look at this other thing she did over here. Woohoo! Ooh, up here in Maine, we call this rôti, roasted. Actually, I'm used to this because Raluca treats me like a god most of the time. She loves giving me the burnt offerings.
Yeah, he likes everything that's burnt.
So, end result. Can you cook bread with tea lights? Yes! And she even made some, what's these things, fajitas? What are they?
Oh, these are pitas. I showed them the concept.
She even made pitas. And they're so warm. She even made pitas. Guess we're going to have this for lunch. So give it a try with your family and let me know how it worked out for you in the comments below. In the meantime, I got lunch to make. Woohoo! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Good. I love it.